he's going to do up here is we're going to take the red top rope and bring it all the way up to my shoulder. And it's going to say all I can get in this kind of banner and lettering. And it's going to have like a bloody rabbit's foot, a smashed up penny, like head side up. Like all kinds of lucky charms and shit. Because I've got bad luck. So that's going to go on this arm. And then on this arm I'm going to get little trinkets for everyone in my family. Like everybody, you know, Jason will probably have like the caboose, little hospital thing. And Richard will have like the charger helmet, like
Aaron, look what you did!
You dirty her.
Great job, Aaron.
For everybody.
Hold this.
You want to see the pictures of Jason's week? Yeah. The week I didn't have my boyfriend?
Hold on.
Let's see. You want to record?
Huh? Okay. Oh my God. Record her eating?
Everybody. Everybody.
Oh, how sweet.